The Philippine National Police has denied claims of an assassination attempt on Magsasaka Party List nominee Lejun de la Cruz. PNP spokesperson Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo said the police were executing a warrant issued by Las Piñas City Court for murder charges when de la Cruz attempted to evade arrest. She added that de la Cruz rammed multiple vehicles during his attempt to flee, resulting in injuries to a police officer. During the operation, authorities recovered a .45 caliber handgun from de la Cruz, leading to additional charges for violating the election gun ban, multiple counts of malicious mischief, and frustrated homicide. De la Cruz remains in police custody at the Eastern Police District in Pasig. The Magsasaka Party List had previously claimed he survived an ambush in Cainta, Rizal on Sunday morning. And
Yan yung ibang ano naman yan, ibang ano, ito yung side naman
pero
ng mga police.
hindi daw naka-uniform eh.
Oh, hindi naka-uniform eh. Tsaka,
So,
well, according dun sa, ang tawag dito? According doon sa side ng ano, Magsasaka Party List.
Yesterday, kausap natin.
Kausap natin. Nagpakilala daw mo. Hindi daw nagpakilala. Ang unang ginawa nila ay nag-pretend na magtanong o mag-alok ng ano about real estate.
Oh.
Diba? Yun daw ang nangyari. Pero according sa police, eto nga, they supposedly followed yung procedure daw ng arresting
Pero kasi on the other side, kung ikaw si Lejun, di ba? O sige, may warrant ka, sasama ako pag feeling ko wala akong threat. Pero kung nakita mo na may kumakausap sa'yo tapos may bulge sa baril, talagang mapapahataw ka ng takbo, makakabangga ka because you're trying to survive. Diba?
Nabangga yung ano, no? Bystander lang yun, ano?
Mas laro na kung hindi naman alam yung context ng lahat nito eh. Kung walang uniform ang police, tapos naka-civilian at may makita mong high profile personality ka, may naka-bulge ng baril dito, magpapanik ka talaga. Kung walang uniform.
Oo. Kaya nga 'di ba sabi ko kahapon, maigi dapat makausap natin mga taga-PNP para malaman natin ano ba yung procedure talaga nila dito? Ano ba yung standard operating procedure nila pagdating sa ganito? Pero, di ba, well, if you will Google it, if you will research about it, dapat daw naka-uniform. Nagpapakilala na dapat ikaw ay nasa otoridad, di ba? Ako ay isang ganito.
Saka kung ano yung mission order mo, ano pakay mo
Pero
doon.
ang sinabi doon ng PNP kasi, through their spokesperson, kaya daw sila hindi naka-uniform para hindi daw maano yung operasyon nila.
Hindi. Hindi naman to sting operation na may hinuhuli ka eh. May warrant ka na eh. So if you're really serving a warrant already, then you have to be in uniform. Pero kung undercover operation to, dahil may hinuhuli ka pa or in hot pursuit, pwede naman naka-civilian ka. Pero di ba, malinaw yan eh. You're serving a warrant of arrest, you have to be in proper uniform with your mission order in place.
So, antayin mo na. Magkakaroon na ng mga hearing na naman yan for sure sa Senado tungkol sa mga
Ewan ko, depende. Kasi
operational procedure ng mga PNP.
Baka kasi maging busy itong mga campaign.
Hindi, sa after na, di ba? Okay.